Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gears of War E-Day gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option. After that, here you search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and after that here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, now check if gamepad is working. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys, as this is one of the best way to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, wait for some time, and once Windows is up to date, now launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Some other suggestions are clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage, click on downloads. After that, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. Confirm it, log into Steam, and after that again launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to suggested is using wired plug. If you are using wired plug, then unplug it and again replug it, and after that check if it's working. Also suggested to use big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see big picture mode. You have to click on it and wait for some time. After entering big picture mode, you have to select your game and then click on the play button, and after that click on Steam option, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Now after that, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.